Hello everyone, myself Anil Jain, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication of Jaipur Engineering College and Research Center, Jaipur. Today we are performing an experiment of Electronic Devices Lab. And these are the course outcome of the lab. Here is shown COPO mapping of the lab. There are 12 experiments in this lab. Experiment number 6, name of experiment is plot VI characteristics of Zener diode. A Zener diode is a semiconductor device that permits current to flow in either a forward or reverse direction. And we can represent Zener diode like this symbol, anode and cathode. VI characteristics curve. This section is forward characteristics. Here on y-axis, IF denotes forward current, VF is forward voltage on x-axis. Similarly, IR stands for reverse current and VR is reverse voltage. When the positive voltage is applied to the Zener diode, then initially there will be no conduction of a Zener diode because all diodes have cut-in voltage. For example, silicon, it is approximately 0.7 volt. And after existing 0.7 volt, the diode will start conducting because 0.7 volt is the cut-in voltage for the silicon. When cut-in voltage reached, there will be large amount of current increases in Zener diode, but forward voltage VF will be limited. If you go on increasing voltage, Zener diode current will start increasing. Now come to the reverse characteristics region. At starting, if we apply negative voltage to anode of the diode, there is a small amount of current flow through the Zener diode due to thermally generated moving carrier. When you go on increasing the reverse voltage, it will reach VZ. VZ is the breakdown voltage. At this point, you can observe that there is a sudden increase in the current and no further increase in the voltage. So due to having such type of reverse characteristics, Zener diode can be utilized for voltage regulation. To limit this reverse current, you can connect a series resistance in the circuit. Now let's perform the experiment. This is the kit for experiment of Zener diode VI characteristics. In this kit we have voltmeter, current meter and variable DC power supply. We have a resistance, different type of Zener diode. This one is 5.1 volt, 6 volt and 8.2 volt. Now we connect circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of Zener diode in forward bias condition. First we connect positive supply to this resistance. And this positive supply to the resistance is already internally connected. So we connect this resistance to Zener diode anode point. We are using 5.1 volt Zener diode. And Zener diode cathode to current meter positive point. Zener diode cathode to current meter positive point. This is the positive terminal of current meter. And negative terminal of current meter goes to negative supply, negative DC supply. Negative point of DC supply. And now we have to connect this voltmeter. Voltmeter positive terminal. This one is the positive terminal of voltmeter. And we have to connect this at anode of the Zener diode. And voltmeter negative terminal is connected to current meter negative terminal. Now we need this type of curve. In the forward bias, we need this type of curve. So first of all, we start increasing forward voltage, and you can observe the reading from these 2 meters. Approximately, you can see here, approximately 0.7 volt. It will start conducting because this is silicon diode. At this point it will start conducting, and after 0.7 volt current suddenly increase, and we can observe it is about 12 milliampere, 14 milliampere, and it is out of range. So cut in voltage, after this cut in voltage current increases suddenly. So we perform this forward characteristic.